What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that's going to be a really good stocking stuffer. Since it is November, this is the perfect time to be buying something for yourself or for a loved one for Christmas. And since it's November, there's Black Friday and other stuff like that, so there's a lot of sales. And then if you do miss the sale during November, there's still sales in December, so there's plenty of time to get this or something similar like this for the stocking stuffer. And we will have a separate stocking stuffer video, so if you guys are looking to buy something for your husband or your wife or your friend who's into overland and off-road, make sure you guys watch that video. But today we're going to be talking about the Teton shift knob, so let's go show you guys what that looks like. So right in here, you guys will see we have two shift knobs. Some 4Runners will have an automatic 4x4 shifter or controller. We have one of the manual ones, so we have a shift knob on that. So this right here is the Teton all black version shift knob. This is the main shift knob, obviously, with the park and everything else. Now in the vehicle, I can show you guys from where I'm sitting. This is the shift knob for the 4x4 selector. So you got too low, which is neutral, or high 2, I should say, H2, which is neutral. And then you got high 4, and then you have low 4 all the way over and up. So you guys can control that. So that would be 4x4 high, which is what I normally use when I am driving on snowy roads, really snowy roads, or high-speed off-road. And then over to the right and then all the way up, we will have 4 low. This is perfect for slow crawling on the trail, and this is what I normally use on a more technical trail with some obstacles. So put that back into neutral there. So that's neutral. But this one here, not everybody's gonna have, but if you guys are like us, you guys do have one of these manual controllers for your 4x4 selector. You guys should think about getting this one as well, just to match the main shift knob. So this is what it looks like with the all black. It is really nice the way it feels in your hand, depending on how you grab it. If you're like me, when you guys are driving, I normally have my hand just resting on the shift knob like this, so it is nice to feel that nice aluminum. It does have lines back here if you need to grab it like that, so pretty nice. But I'm going to go show you guys the other colors that they have available. On this table here, we have the Tacoma shift knobs. As you guys can see here, they are shorter, obviously, because the shift knob from factory on the Tacoma is shorter, so that way they made it to match. This is it. On the bottom, they have this plastic piece that will snap in and out to allow the removal of the shift knob. This here is what they call the OD green, olive drab green. This is the blue. So as you guys can see here, this piece is interchangeable. You can change it out later down the road if you decide you wanted a different color. We have tan, very similar to the quicksand color. And then we have orange, very bright for those who like orange. And then obviously there is black, but I didn't show you guys black because we just showed you guys what that looked like on the 4Runner. So these are the colors that we have available, and like I said before, these make a perfect stocking stuffer for somebody who has a Toyota and likes to modify their truck with pretty much any little thing that they can. Now that you guys have seen all the colors, let me know what you guys think about these shift knobs. These are made out of 61 billet aluminum, so the quality is super high. It feels really good in your hands, especially with all the design work that Teton put into this with the smooth edges and everything like that. So super great quality product that they made. All right guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and make a really quick video to show you guys these super cool shift knobs that we just got in stock, and of course talk about a little bit about the Black Friday sale and stuff like that. So this is the perfect time to buy, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.